Need your Chase account number? Here are the top 3 secure methods to find it quickly and safely. Method 1 is the Chase mobile app. Simply log in, navigate to your account details, and use the Show Hide toggle to view your full account number. The app includes biometric login and multi-factor authentication for security. Method 2 uses your physical checks. Find your account number at the bottom of any check, positioned between the routing number and check number. Chase's routing number is typically 021000021, and your account number is usually 10 to 12 digits long. Method 3 uses bank statements. Access digital statements through Chase Online Banking or the mobile app under Statements and Documents. The account number appears on the first page header. Paper statements, if you're enrolled, show the account number on the top corner. These 3 methods provide secure, convenient access to your Chase account number. Choose the method that works best for your needs, whether digital or traditional. Protecting your Chase account information requires following essential security practices. These guidelines will help keep your financial data safe from unauthorized access. Enable 2-factor authentication and biometric security features whenever available. These add crucial layers of protection to your account access. Beyond the primary methods we covered, Chase offers several additional ways to access your account information safely and securely. Chase Online Banking provides full account access through your desktop or laptop browser. The dashboard displays all your account numbers and banking information in a secure, encrypted environment. Customer service representatives are available 24/7 at 1-800-935-9935. They can provide your account number after verifying your identity through security questions. Visiting a Chase branch in person provides immediate access to your account information. Bring a valid government-issued ID, and staff can assist with account details and additional banking services. Chase continuously enhances security with features like automatic account number masking, real-time fraud monitoring, and advanced encryption. These protect your information across all access methods. Modern biometric authentication options, including fingerprint, facial recognition, and voice verification, provide convenient yet secure access to your Chase account information. Remember, your account security is a shared responsibility. Use these official methods, enable all available security features, and stay vigilant about protecting your financial information.